Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to turn on or turn off in-game overlays in Discord. What I mean by this is if you launch a game and you want to have your Discord chat in the game itself as an overlay, you can do that. Sometimes you want it turned on, sometimes you want it turned off. So I'm going to show you where that on-off switch is located. So to turn on or off in-game overlays, what you need to do is go to your user settings. Once in the user settings, make your way down to the game overlay under activity settings. So go to game overlay. And I currently have mine turned off. So if I wanted to have it so that it showed who was in my Discord chat, I would enable in-game overlay. And so when I launch a game, I would see the people in my Discord chat up in the top left. That would be the overlay. So I've enabled that. And you can customize where you want the Discord overlays to be. Currently I have it set for the top left. You can do top right, or bottom left. So just make sure that it is turned on if you do want that overlay. And that is how you turn on in-game overlays in Discord. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next quick video.